तो आज हम बताएंगे कि कैसे हम जो अपनी टेक्निकल स्किल्स को कैसे हम अच्छा कर सके, और जो हमारा प्रिपरेशन होता है इंटरव्यू का उसको हम किस तरीके से उसको उसको किस तरीके से हम क्रैक कर सके। तो पहली टिप्स तो ये है आप अपने लिए कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोशिश कीजिए कि आप अपनी स्किल्स को अच्छा कर सके, और ख़ासतौर से नॉलेज अच्छी हो। क्योंकि अगर आप बिगनर हैं तो डेप्थ में नहीं जाएंगे, पर एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट के साथ वो थोड़ा सा डेप्थ में जाते हैं। तो यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द नॉलेज विल बी अ गुड of every concept, at least whatever the project you are creating, related of that project, you have to be know about why should you choose that concept, and what is the depth about of this content, advantages and all things about them. Second thing have to be, you know about you how to be do and deal with the logical questions. So you must be understand the all logical point of covering points are must be needed to do that work, because it is a very helpful to creating your own concept also. Even the same time it happen that you have to be build a logic in at the time when the interviewer giver your time, at the time when the interview asking the question. Second tips is that, and third tips is that you have to be create the communication level very good, because you have to be crack only the interview in cases when your communication of English will be a good. So it will also be increasing your point. Okay. And fourth point is you must be aware about that the questions which is they asking about the technical question, you must be aware of that. And the fifth or last tips is that you have to be crack interview. So first you have to be give the introduction part is that much goodly, so you cannot give in a briefly so big. You just take some few points which is describing about yourself, some your communication level, like not a communication level, just because of your project level. And in that project level you clear all the concept what you are using, what I or not using, what kind of project you are doing. So these are the five stages really helpful to cracking the interview for the experienced candidate who are preparing for that interview. For that, I am also be creating some videos related of that in that channel, so you can watch it. In that video, I just clear the concept of rated in a depth about of, but still I will be with yourself with you to do that work. Or is there any query, you can comment me and I will do it. Thank you.